Welcome to J&J's test video of 9582. This is a 2003 Hummer. Has, what did it have on it for mileage? I just lost it. 159,508. Interior's not too bad. Seats got a switch in there backwards. Power folding mirrors look like they work. Maybe they don't work when the door's open. Well, that door panel's broke. Surprise, surprise. Maybe they don't want to fold them. There you go. There's that reason. They're out. All right, take a walk around. Broken door panel. A little beat up. A little rusty. Aftermarket spare tire carrier. Doesn't have a tail finish panel, but it has a nice set of wheels, and it's got an LQ4. There you go. Let you hear it run. Let's take it for a drive. $159,508. No sunroof. 4060 works. Heater controls work. Radio's no good. Let's see if transfer case works. I do them both. Oh, look at that. Low. Yep, there's low. Your T-case works. Transmission shifts. Alright. And that is that. Back it up here. Alright. As always, thank you for watching. And have your pets spayed and neutered.